Section 5.3. More about local variables. A local variable is declared inside a method and is not accessible to statements outside the method. Different methods can have local variables with the same names because the methods cannot see each other's local variables. A method's local variables exist only while the method is executing. When the method ends, the local variables are destroyed and any values stored in them are lost. Parameter variables are local variables, and so when a method ends, the parameter variables are destroyed and their values are lost as well. Local variables are not initialized with a default value. You might have seen the error message saying uninitialized local variable, and that's because local variables don't have any default value when they're created, so you have to initialize them before you can use them. Let's take a look at an example program. I just want to point out a few important facts about this example program. We can see that we have three methods, a main method and then two value returning methods. One is called dollars to euros and the other is called euros to dollars. They both take in a parameter that's a double, and both are naming that parameter variable x. That's okay because the parameter variables are local variables and they're destroyed outside of the method. So they only exist from when they're declared to the end of the method where they're declared. And so we can reuse x because it only exists for dollars to euros in lines 9 through 12, and in euros to dollars, which starts in line 13, then we can reuse x again. Okay. Also, there's another local variable that's being reused in both of these methods, dollars to euros and euros to dollars. Can you find it? If you said rate, you're correct. There's a local variable rate in dollars to euros, and it's 0.86. That local variable is destroyed and its value is lost outside that method definition. So we can reuse rate in our method definition for euros to dollars and have it, store a completely different value. Our method calls to dollars to euros and euros to dollars are in lines 4 and 5, and the return values are stored in result 1 and result 2 respectively. Those are then printed out using the printf method in lines 6 and 7. So let's go ahead and run this program. We can see that the exchange rates are for $100, 86 euros, and for 100 euros, $117. And so it looks like those different rates were being applied in the different methods that they were defined. So this hopefully gives us some idea about a little, closer look at local variables and the fact that we can reuse them between method definitions.